If you want to be able to pay with your Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then first of all you need to know where is NFC and how to turn it on, and secondly we will have to set up a wallet to add our payment card. So if you want to find NFC, you just have to open the settings, then we can proceed to more connectivity options, and then here we have the NFC option, so you should be able to turn it off or turn it on whenever you need to. Of course, NFC has to be enabled every time you want to pay with your phone, but it doesn't have to be enabled all the time, just when the time comes. Of course, NFC can also be added to the control center or quick settings, so you can add this button that allows you to quickly toggle NFC, so you have quicker access to that feature. And of course, by default it is not added, so we have to tap on edit and find it in system toggles. Then you should be able to tap on it to add it to this list, and then you should be able to quickly turn it on whenever it is necessary. Of course, you can just leave it enabled as well, that works too. Now, we can of course set up the wallet, and for that reason we need to use a wallet app. In my case, I'm going to use Google Wallet app, which in my case is already installed. But if you don't have it, you can just simply open the Play Store, and then we can search for the wallet app. So we can just simply type wallet or Google Wallet. I'm just going to use that one. I actually typed wallpaper by accident, sorry. There we go. And this is the one that we are going to use. So be sure that you have it, and then we can open it. And let's wait for that. I'm not sure why it closed, so let me try again. Alright, now it works. Now of course you can allow the app to send you notifications, and then you might see this pop up where we have the option to set up the card right now, or if not, you can just use this plus button or add payment card button. Then we're gonna choose to set up the payment card, and after a couple of seconds you should be able to scan details off of your credit or debit card. So place your credit card within this frame, inside this frame, and then you should be able to get some of the details. Of course, you can also tap on enter details manually in order to add the card number, the expiration date, and the security code. And then just scroll all the way down and tap on save and continue, and then your payment card is going to be added. Keep in mind that in some cases, your bank might want to go through additional verification step. They will require you to, for example, answer a call from them or something like that, just to prove that it is actually you who is trying to set up the payment card on your phone. And in some cases, of course, it is not really necessary to do so. This actually depends on the bank itself. Of course, you can also set up multiple cards. So if you have, let's say, 2-3 cards that you want to use on your phone, then you can easily do so. And if you add multiple cards, then you can also choose whichever card should be the default one. So once you have your card ready on your phone, then now you can just pay with your phone whenever you want to do that. You just place your phone the same way that you do with your card. If you just place it on top of the terminal, then you should be able to pay with your phone. There are a couple of things that you need to, of course, remember. First one is, of course, the NFC. You want to make sure that it is enabled when you want to pay with your phone. Secondly, you want to make sure that your phone is unlocked. And third point, that is actually optional, and it depends if you have multiple cards or not. But if you have multiple cards, if you have 2 or more, then you might need to go to the wallet app in order to choose whichever card you want to pay with. If you want to pay with your default card, or if you have just one card, then you do not have to open the wallet app, just if you want to pay with the one that is not the default one. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.